Hello students, English 1.1 Past, Present, Future. Now this poem is written by Emily Bronte. Now what do you mean by past, present, future? Past was the pleasant time, but sadly we cannot go back to it. Present is the time when you prepare for the future, which is unknown but exciting. In the poem, the poet asks a child what the past, present and future look like to him. The child describes the nature with each of these time frames. In this poem, past, present, future, the time is present in the form of dialogue between the poet and child. Now come to the first stanza. Let us see the question asked by the poet and how the child has answered to him. Tell me, smiling child, what the past is like to thee. An autumn evening soft and mild, with a wind that sigh mournfully. Now over here, when he asked about the past, the child who is smiling says that it is like an autumn evening, where the wind lets out a breath in grief. The past for the child is something that he remembers with longing, a little sadness. The falling of leaves and mournful sigh of the wind convey that the child is unhappy because the past has passed and it cannot go back to it. Now come to the second stanza. Tell me what is the present hour, a green and flowery spray where a young bird sits gathering its power to mount and fly away. Now in this stanza, when he asked about the present hour, the child says that it is like springtime with greenery and flowers around, where a young bird sit on a branch of a tree is just learning to fly. The present for the child is full of possibility and something that he wants to take chance in. He is gathering his strength and looking forward to head into the world. Now come to the third stanza. And what is the future happy one? A sea beneath a cloudless sun, a mighty, glorious, dazzling sea stretching into infinity. When he asked about the future, the happy child says that it is like the unknown vast sea, and the child associates this imaginary with future. According to him, the future is magnificent and mysterious, and he is keen on exploring it. Now I have given you some of the dictation words and meaning over here. You have to copy down in your notebooks. Thank you.